Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use face swap in this awesome new AI I found called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do for your face swap is to go to this website, then click on meet your creative in one click, and then brought to a page like this. Now all you have to do is to upload a photo with the original face you want, and then upload a face. This is the target face, so the face you want to be inserted into this first one is what you're going to upload in this second one, and then this button will become clickable, and then you can click it. So let me just go ahead and upload this is the target face. So I'm just going to choose a random image. Let me just choose this, and then for the origin face, let me choose something else. So let me choose, no, let me just choose this. So you can see past samples. So all I have to do now is click on swap now and wait for some minutes if it would. Okay, now so you can see the image. Now this is really this is really horrible, but it's working. So that's it guys. Now you can proceed to download it by clicking on this download icon, and then it's downloaded. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.